Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Smile and Shit. Another day, another adventure. I hit so many times there. I don't know why. I don't usually do that. I might stop the hitting. I don't know. Comment down below. You like the hitting? You don't like the hitting? It's gonna continue or it's gonna end. I don't know. I want to say what up first to my boy Steve. Steve, how you doing, buddy? How's everything in the office? Everything's going good. Steve, where you going? We got to talk about business. Steve, accounts payable. All right, whatever, dude. John, stop leaving your bottles out here, John. Come on. You're making the team look bad. The time is 6:30 in the morning right now. I actually am a little early to the shuttle. You know, early bird catches the worm. That's what I'm saying. And you know what else? Second mouse gets the cheese. Think about it. Think about it. Since we have time, I'm gonna show you the rest of Philadelphia. We got a swamp right here. We got a hose. We got rocks. And now that I think about it, a lot of freaking goose poop, which I'm definitely stepping in. Okay. Anyways, Philly was pretty cool last night. Got to see my boy Gio and his girl Molly. Tonight we're in Fort Lauderdale. We're working from here to Fort Lauderdale to Grand Cayman, back to Fort Lauderdale, and then we're there for like another 12 hours. I don't know if I'm actually gonna do anything on the layover tonight. I really need to edit like a lot of videos, and I also want to get some sleep because I know as soon as we get back with the BEL AIR boys, we're gonna be doing a lot of challenges. We're gonna be waking up very early, working out, all that jazz. So I want to get my beauty sleep, you know what I'm saying? And if you don't get your beauty sleep, what do you get? I don't know either. I honestly don't know either. So yeah, something crazy just happened. So I'm just chilling in the terminal, just walking in the gate, and then I see this flight attendant who like comes up towards me. She's like, oh, I have to get a picture with you. She's like, oh, I watch all your videos. She's like, I messaged you last night. She's like, yo, like let's get a cheesesteak at Jim's. And I was like, all right, yeah, I'm down. But it was like kind of like later, wait a little bit to respond, and so I guess she like fell asleep. But yeah, I just saw her in the terminal. I forget her name, man. I think it was Fiona. Super cool though, shout out to you. We actually took this picture right here. You guys see me in the terminal, hit me up, say what up. The boys are right behind me. They don't want to be on camera today. It's all good. You guys are always like, oh, Molives, like, what do you do if someone doesn't want to be on camera? It's not that hard, you just don't film them. So you guys are stuck with me for the rest of the day. You guys want some fresh air? Woo! Airplanes. Okay. You gotta do all these security checks up here. You gotta put all this stuff back. Turn it on, turn on the coffee maker. And then we just press brew. Make sure everything's locked. We got the ice. But yeah, overall, pretty good morning. Good little start to the day. Good to see them. We're about to start boarding in 2 seconds. But yeah, like I said before, we're going Fort Lauderdale to Grand Cayman, which I want to stay there, but clearly we can't. I don't even think we have layovers there. I think I can still get my tan on in Fort Lauderdale, and what else? And then we go back to Fort Lauderdale. We're there for 12 hours, nothing crazy. If you guys aren't part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, smash the like on this video, and let's have a day, baby. So guys, we made it to Fort Lauderdale, and let me tell you about the literally greatest deal in all of airport food history. Sergio's empanadas. This is not a paid advertisement. Sergio's empanadas are so bomb. If you know, you know. Fort Lauderdale. We're going to Grand Cayman right now, so it's not a big deal. I'm an international flight attendant, international man of mystery. Yeah, it's usually all girls, but you know, we them boys, you know what I'm saying? We them boys! Do you hear the music? No? Okay. Yeah. We're in Grand Cayman, aka I'm an international flight attendant. It's not a big deal. It's kind of a big deal. Bada bing, bada boom. Cayman. Woo! Wow, welcome to Grand Cayman. And that's as much as I'm gonna see as Grand Cayman right now. And I'm gonna post this picture. Actually, I already posted it. Boom, congratulations, you played yourself. You're not following me on Instagram. Everyone's gonna be like, oh my god, dude, you went to Grand Cayman, that's so sick. Bro, I didn't get to see Grand Cayman. Right, boys, you know what I'm saying? Right. Crickets. Tough crowd, it's all good. We got some crew meals. We got PB&J. Okay. PB&J, we got a salad, and then we got like a wrap. Boys, we're living large. I'm gonna secure the wrap alert. An international flight attendant, whatever. Not a big deal. Take one last look. Let's check it out. What do we got, baby? 2 beds, more of a 1-bed guy. We gotta check out the view. We got some palm trees, some guys. Guys, right over here is the beach. That's A1A, Fort Lauderdale Beach, baby. Cause you know how we do it. We have made it. The eagle has landed. The freaking pigeon has lost all of its feathers. Don't know why I said that. My day ones know what's good. Let's go, let's go. Boom, boom. Shout out Vivi. Shout out Vivi. Yo, Molives, you're looking kind of tan, dog. Oh, baby. Yo, this feels amazing. I gotta say, like, I don't know what I'd do without caffeine. It's literally like, it saves lives, 100%. I'd be lying dead in a ditch somewhere. I'd be jet lagged for my entire life. Oh yeah, by the way, huge life hack. So when we were going through customs, there's like obviously a huge line for like, you know, regular passengers and like crew. We get to go to the crew line and it's wicked, oh wicked, Molives. It's way quicker than, you know, the other lines. But if you guys want to skip the line via like normal security, in like terms of customs, get mobile passport. You guys gotta get it. It's free to sign up. You literally just put all your information down on like an app. There's a regular customs and then there's one for mobile passport. So it's completely free. It'll definitely save you a lot of time. Even if you're already in line, by the time you download the app, put all your information in and like get out of line and go into mobile passport, it'll be quicker than if you just didn't do anything. So I don't know, just a little tidbit information there. When we were checking in downstairs, so obviously me and Manny, I mean, he doesn't really want to be on camera, but we were in class together. So it's pretty cool to fly with him. But when we were signing in, our friend Mo, I call her Mo Dallas, she is staying at the hotel too. But I'm gonna call Mo Dallas right now, see what's good. I mean, we only have like 10 hours. We have a 4:45 a.m. shuttle to the airport. It's absurd because we're on West Coast time. Your boy's living in Bel Air this summer, so it's gonna be 1 a.m. my time, or 1:45 California time, so that's no bueno. I'm pretty much gonna be a walking zombie tomorrow, but it would be cool to see my friend Mo Dallas today. So yeah, let's give her a call. Pick up the phone, Mo.
Hello, you've reached the voicemail box for Emo. Please leave your name and number, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks so much. Have a great day.
Wow. Okay, Mo. Alright, I hope you're watching this, Mo. If that's even your real name. No, it's not. It's Maureen. My goodness, some friend, you know? You think you guys have friends. But I want to take a quick little nap. I'm just kidding. It's 5 minutes later, and Mo Dallas just called me back. And I missed it, because my phone was on vibrate. But I'm going to call her back.
Hello?
Mo Dollar Bills. What's good?
Not much. I'm walking. I'm over by the B right now.
By the B? Why are you so wicked far away? You're over the bridge.
I know. I gotta see the ocean if I'm here. It's a sin otherwise.
Wow, damn.
I mean, for a drink at like 6 or something downstairs.
I mean, I have a lot of friends, like a lot of friends, but they're all watching this YouTube video right now, so I can't hang out with them. So, yes, I'm down. Mo Dallas. Oh yes. What's good? What's good? Mo Dallas. I'm good. And what else am I? I'm on time. Right?
40 minutes late.
I'm a busy guy. I'm busy. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. Huh? You ordered water without me? Thank you.
No, I think so.
Huh? What?
Hi there. Do you have anything to drink?
Yeah.
Discounts are $2 draft beer, Stella and Bud Light, $3 Wild Drink.
Yeah, I'll take a Stella for
Stella?
sure. Yeah,
Alright.
Stella. Honey, I'm home. Why you gotta go and leave me here?
Bro, this door is just crazy.
It's the worst, bro. It's the worst thing.
Yo, I've been here for like literally 20 hours.
20 hours? Woo! What's good,
I'm
dog?
doing a song, bro. I'm doing a song with Aldo.
Actually?
Yeah, we're doing. It's crazy, bro. It's the best song Guys, this is the best song anyone in this house has ever done.
No way.
I'm serious.
No way.
I can't.
Hanging on my own, I am lost and all alone, and I'm trying to let you know, should've never let you go. Reminiscing about all the times we had, lost inside my thoughts, said I want you back. Never thought I would end up with these regrets. Moving on, but I can't get you out of my head. I can't get you.
You're Alex. What's good? What's good? You smell good. What are you doing? Getting into my Listerine?
I showered for you. You know, I put a little Gucci, little Versace, little Ivory, little Dove.
It's not. It's not
Head and Shoulders.
It's the Listerine. It's just your breath.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Me in my underwear and shit.
Bro, why don't you just put some pants on? I feel weird to have to ask twice.
You never had.
Bro, you mind putting on some pants? I find it a little weird I have to ask twice.
What up, baby?
Popping.
Chilling. I'm chilling, dog. It was good. It was good,
I didn't even
man.
know you left. You didn't say bye. You just leave without saying bye.
Oh, yeah. Next time I leave at 5 a.m., I'm going to wake you up, and I'm going to be like, yo, Leo, bro, I'm leaving, man. Give me a hug. Wow.
Yeah.
Is that what you want? I can do that.
I do, man.
I can do that.
Much, bro.
All right, guys, you heard it first, so the next time I leave. Nice.
You look like you're on YouTube Stars. I don't know. That's what you look like.
Famous birthdays. Famous birthdays.
Famous birthdays.
Guys, I don't know if you know Famous Birthdays, like the website that pretty much documents all the famous YouTubers or famous people in the world.
Yeah, pretty much.
I don't know. I'm ranked like 140 million thousand. You can check it. Boom, right here. That was a snap. But yeah, and I am associated with 6ix9ine, aka my boy Tekashi. It's not a big deal. Like he's my best friend. Like we chill all the time. But like, yeah, we're getting this photo shoot started or what?
Now,
And David's back. Oh my goodness, David, we missed you.
Oh, I missed you.
Bro, you saw the video, right?
I did.
I was crying.
Oh, David, eh?
David! Oh, David! David! Yo, Larry, you out? Damn, dog. Alright, I just want to, say hi to 10 million people if you want to say hi to 10 million people.
Who's 10 million people?
Right here, Mog. What do you mean? Yeah, bro.
Damn, I feel weird.
David claims that this room is extremely messy. What's it look like now? Exactly.
Clean.
Yeah, who did that? Exactly? Not you. Not you,
Leo.
buddy.
I think it was Leo.
Not wow, dude.
I clean this whole place.
What? Are you kidding me, bro?
Nobody's giving me any credit. I'm getting mad.
Wow. No, for real, David, what are you even doing in LA again? You left, you're back, like, the fans want to know. They're like, is he staying? Like, what's his deal?
Big business.
Big business.
Big business.
All
Bigger
right.
than Kazi's business for sure.
That's the same business, isn't it?
No.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's right.
Kazi's in the small business section.
Oh, my goodness,
I'm
damn.
in the big business with the big boys.
David set up Lexnor Beats' freaking Shopify. He's got merch now. Yo. What?
Let's go shoot.
What do you
I
really?
want you to wear it too. I want a picture with you in it.
Alright.
Because you're just a beautiful man.
Handsome guy.
You know what?
You want to shout it out? What's your website, dog?
I don't think I want you to wear it anymore. Now that I see you wear it, it's like. I think I want Leo to wear it. Look at him. Shirtless with his glasses.
Wow.
Take it off, Miles. Take it off. Bro.
Wow.
Take it off. Take it off.
Alright, yeah, no, I'm done.
I'm kidding, bro. I'm kidding. I want you in it.
Looking at me like I ain't got no shine. I pull up to the corner with my right. Tell your bitch to slid and I think she heard. I do not think I can trust on what you heard. I'm not so sure, no. The things I told you, put them in the dirt, please.
Yo, I forgot to do my outro, bro. Do you want to help?
Yeah.
Alright, dope. Wait, what is that? Are you bleeding?
Yeah.
Nah.
I cut myself.
Alright, so guys, obviously Lex has his new website, his merch. Wow.
Yeah.
Wait, is this live now?
Yes. Go cop your Lex merch.
Lex.
Right, so the logo looks like this. This is the hat. We got the shirt over here.
Wow.
Very basic, but very cool. Look, here we got Molives in 3 different poses.
Snap. Wow.
He's looking like a little,
Damn,
I
bro.
wrote these quotes here. This one, I wrote Ren, but that's not supposed to be there. Follow your passion, believe in yourself, because that's the look he's getting.
Wow, dude.
Right here, look at that. Follow your passion.
I like that, man. I like that. All right, guys. So Lex is the first one to have merch in the house.
Yeah.
Wow. Actually, Aldo has merch.
I like to consider.
But Aldo's a
I like to consider it more of like a clothing line.
A clothing line. All right.
Yeah, because I want it to grow on its own as well, not like grow off of my music.
Yeah.
I want it to be like its own.
Lex literally is the hardest worker in the room at all times. And you know, he's got merch now.
I appreciate that. You're
support the boy, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't have merch yet. I'm actually having merch very soon. The Bel Air Boys are gonna be having merch soon.
Of course.
But I said that in January. So I'm working on merch. Woo! I have no idea what I'm doing, but I designed a couple pieces. So if you're like, yo, Miles, you're full of it, like, I understand. I understand. Like, I'm not gonna hate. Like, I'm not gonna hate on that. I also said I was uploading 3 times a week. And it's been a week, so like, I understand, guys. But that's why you're my day ones. You guys love me, I love you guys back, because you know what, like, you said, hey, like, I'll be there in 5 minutes, and like, you're not gonna be there in 5 minutes. I know you're not gonna be there, but like, you know what I'm saying? That's what Sam does, you know? Yeah. So we've been doing some crazy stuff in the house lately. Ireland Boys, I don't know if you guys know who the Ireland Boys are. They've been in the house. They may or may not have been in the studio. We may or may not have pranked them. That's why Lex is bleeding right now.
We got them to believe that I was bleeding for a long time.
Yeah. That video's dropping tomorrow, actually. Actually, it's today. Go on Kazzy's channel right now.
We're grinding.
We are grinding.
Yes, sir.
We are grinding.
I don't know about Kazzy.
We are grinding, actually. If you guys aren't part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Smash a like on this video. And we're having an event tomorrow night at our house as well.
Yeah.
With Josh, TY, and the squad.
Networking.
Bro, let's vlog the party.
Yeah, we will.
We have to. It's a networking event. It's not it's not a Takashi party. We'll be able to vlog it. Yeah. But you guys know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button, man. Let's ride, baby.